In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automatic discounts on Shopify. Show in cart and checkout. We'll set up a clean, reliable automatic discount that applies itself to selected products or entire collections and clearly shows the savings right in the cart and again at checkout. No discount code required. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, head to the Discounts area. This is where all your discount rules live and where you can create a new one. Choose Create Discount. You'll see different discount types. Select the option to discount specific products or collections so the price reduction is tied directly to items, not the whole order. Next, switch to the Automatic Discount setup. Automatic means your customer doesn't have to enter anything. Shopify applies it the moment a qualifying item is in the cart. Give your discount a clear internal name so you can recognize it later. Then, choose percentage as the discount method and enter the percentage you want to take off. Using a percentage keeps the math consistent across items with different prices and makes the savings obvious wherever the product appears. Under where the discount applies, select specific collections. This lets you target groups of products you already manage in Shopify. Search for and add the collections you want included. If certain fields are highlighted, like the discount name, value, or date settings, complete those so everything is valid before saving. Make sure you're setting an amount off products discount. This applies the reduction at the product level, which is what triggers clear pricing updates on product pages and ensures the discount is displayed in the cart and at checkout. For eligibility, set the audience to all customers, so anyone browsing your store can receive it without logging in or using a tag. For requirements, choose No Minimum Requirements if you want the discount to kick in immediately when a qualifying item is added. In the Product Discount section, Confirm Product Discounts is selected. That keeps the logic tied to items, so customers see strike-through pricing or a savings line item where it matters most, on the product, in the cart, and during checkout. Review your settings for accuracy, discount name, percentage, applicable collections, audience, and requirements, then click Save. From now on, when shoppers add an eligible product to their cart, Shopify automatically applies the percentage off, displays the savings in the cart summary, and carries it through to checkout. Keep in mind that Shopify runs only one automatic discount at a time, and it won't stack with discount codes. That's it. Your automatic discount